friends. I hope everyone out there in Cook Like a Jamaican land is having a good time and healthy and wealthy. Today I'm going to do a simple thing. You buy them in packets in the store, but you can make your own, which is much better. It's plantain chips. Like we say in Jamaica, plantain, and some people say plantain. Same thing. So here goes. I'm going to show you, first I'm going to show you how to peel the plantain. I learned this not too long ago, to just have them sitting in warm. Here, let me show you over here, Angela. You cut the ends off. And you go down one of these veins with a pointy knife. And you cut it in half. And you soak it in this warm water for about 5 minutes. You just push it and it comes off very easy. So there you go.
Otherwise it would be...
Otherwise, this is the same process, but you'd have to be pushing and pushing, and it's harder to do.
So it's just warm water or hot water?
Warm water for about 5 minutes.
Ooh, you can hear the oil getting hot.
I've shown you how to peel the plantain. Now I'm going to show you how to cut it. Over here, I did this on the grater. So, or a mandolin, if you have a mandolin, it's best. But I use the grater. And here, I hand cut. These are all different ways. And this is also done lengthwise on the grater. So now I'm going to start frying the chips, and they just take a couple of seconds to fry, as long as the oil is heated properly. I'm going to put one in for testing. Oh yes, it's ready. So I'm putting them in as much as I can get in at one go. And they're almost ready. See?
Wow, that's fast.
Yes, this is another 2 seconds.
How do you know they're ready? They float to the top?
They float and some start going brown around the edges. You want to test one, Angie?
I'll wait till it cools down, thank you.
Now these are the long ones. Even better for dipping and scooping up the dip. And I'm going to sprinkle some salt. For those who will take salt, you should sprinkle it over it while it's hot. Just a little salt.
So this is really easy. It's basically you fry them in really hot heat, so on high.
Very, very easy. Yep. I'm going to drain these now on the paper. There you go. And I'm going to put these in.
And these are the last type. They're really thin.
Thin. Those are very thin.
And I just tried one of the other ones and they're super crispy. They taste better than any of the ones you can get in the bag, that's for sure. And they're so easy to make.
Very easy to make. So this is a good specimen of a green plantain. Just a nice size and really green. So this is all you need. And you'll get them at the supermarket. Okay? These are the plantain chips that I just made, and between Angela and myself. I showed you how to peel them and how to cut them and how to fry them. I made 3 different types. 2 is cut with the grater, and if you have a mandolin, which is this one, it's quite thin, and the long one that would go well with ackee dip that we made. Now And these are the others that I cut by hand. And whichever way you do it, just make sure you fry them until they're crisp. When you're frying them in the hot oil, you'll hear a hollow sound, and then you know that they're ready.
So when you tap on them.
When you tap on them, yeah.
And also you use this cast iron.
Yes.
You can use a Dutchie or another. This is just a more modern
This is one
Dutchie.
of my Dutchie. See? Crunchy. I just tried one.